Hello?
Hello, get bloody hell. Why you, I will cut your علاقات.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
I speaking Somali government and I will cut your علاقات. Oh,
Why, brother? Why, brother?
Because why you allow your country Musabihi?
Who's Musabihi?
Musabihi here and you know Musabihi?
No. Wrong country.
There's no, because you are Guinea.
No. We are Guinea-Bissau.
You have another Guinea?
Yes, we are Guinea-Conakry. We have Guinea-Bissau.
Oh my God. Sorry. You're not, Musabihi not there?
No. Musabihi not there.
Not coming in Guinea?
No.
You sure?
No, brother. Yes.
One man like me is coming there?
No one coming there.
Somali like me.
No, we know Somalia.
Here and
Brother, we know Somalia. No Musabihi there.
no Musabihi there.
Yes.
Okay, I will back to you علاقات. Sorry.
Thank you very much.
علاقات 24 hours cut, but again, what happened? You have another, you have any contact?
Yeah.
Another Guinea?
Yeah, call Guinea-Conakry. Guinea-Conakry.
And you what? You Guinea-Bissau?
Guinea-Bissau.
Okay. وريا إلى عود معها كمان حيل كوتشر معها هو حيل كوتشر كذي بستة تشيرك وشر تدولي على تاسات أبغى تاسات تموسي بيحتاج يقول مت مسكين هذا بستة عندها كوتشر هسا وما يقول ويا بستة كذي بستة يعني وكوا والقدم تاع وكوا وشر سكوت أنا هذا إيش كده أنا هذا أركز سؤال مكانت وعايز أجني كله وعايز أجني نيو بابا كني يوم شريس هلو you you are very hell نيو بابا كني I know you why you مسبي حتى
Who is speaking?
hello
Yes, who is speaking?
you are نيو بابا كني
Yes, we are New Baba Guinea.
why مسبي حتى I cut your علاقات now I cut your علاقات
Who is cutting my علاقات?
in Somali government
What happened?
because مسبي حتى
No. No one is here.
you are African I am African
No. Sorry, brother. No one is here.
You are not African?
We are African, but no one from Africa here. For another, we don't have another country.
You're شكل Africa, but your country not Africa.
Yes, we are near.
We are Australia.
Yes.
Your شكل وريا إلى كانوا يقول بدنا. Sorry. No, there's مسبي.
No.
أنا بعترف بيسي والله به. سؤالتي واربس سؤال شر. يا إلهي يا حكينا يا وين بايدون سجس يمكن إنسان صحيح نوكل بيساو نيو باب قلنا ما حقين الكلية ما حقين بسال كذا تشير ما وروح هم حياة كذا قرمون بريها هذا ما يا سو هلو يا يو كذي
Yes, Guinea.
Bloody hell, you kill how many million?
We are.
You are 10 million?
Yes.
Are you 5 million or 3 million or 10 million?
More than 5 million.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah.
Why? I cut your علاقات. Bloody hell.
Why you cut my علاقات?
Because why you allow مسبي حدا?
Brother, 30 years we don't have علاقات with you.
Huh?
We don't have علاقات with you for 30 years. You know, 30 years.
You know, African Union when they coming, we are حق علاقات and السلام علاقات. You know, also.
Okay. What we can do now?
I know حق another time no حق. If you come in OAU, when they come the OAU, no حق, no more حق. No more salam.
No.
I can't really help you.
No.
No more.
No. Don't do that, brother.
No more.